Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss a previous year gate question of Fourier transform. In this section, I will cover gate 1999 to gate 2004. Okay, let's start. Now, first question is: a signal xt has a Fourier transform x omega. If xt is a real and odd function of t, then x omega is option A real and even function of omega, an imaginary and odd function of omega, an imaginary and even function of omega, a real and odd function of omega. Let's see. We know that x omega is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t e to the minus j omega t dt. Okay, and according to Euler's formula, we know that minus infinity to infinity xt cos j omega t minus cos omega t j sin omega t and dt. Okay, now now here is a xt is real and odd. Okay, minus infinity to infinity, real and odd, xt cos omega t dt minus j minus infinity to infinity xt sin omega t and dt. Check it. Here is the xt is real and odd. Here is this one is the even. What will happen? Odd into even, odd, and when you integrate the odd function from minus infinity to infinity, then it becomes the 0. And here is the odd and odd. After odd multiplication, odd will be even. And here is the j. So you will get the imaginary. Okay, you will get the imaginary function, imaginary, and when you integrate this one, it becomes the odd type. Okay, then it will be the odd, imaginary, and odd. Then it becomes the imaginary and odd. Otherwise, you can check the Fourier transform of this one, and from there you can also get the answer. Okay, then option will be, which one option will be right? Option B will be the right answer. This one is wrong, this one is wrong, this one is wrong. Now comes to next question. A, the input to a channel is a bandpass signal. It is obtained by linearly modulating a sinusoidal carrier with single tone signal. The output of channel due to this input is given by yt is equal to 1 by 100 cos 100 t minus 10 to power minus 6 into cos 10 to power 6t minus 1.56. The group delay and the phase delay of Tp in second in the channel are. This question asked in gate 1999, and check it. What will be the answer? If we know that we can represent a signals with group delay and phase delay. Yt will be cos of k t minus tg. Okay, into cos omega c t minus tp, and compare these signals from above given question. Okay, so then what will happen? Here given is yt is equal to 1 by 100 cos 100t minus 10 to the power minus 6 and cos 10 to the power 6t minus 1.56. Take it common, 100 from here for comparison, cos 100 t minus 10 to power minus 8 and cos, take it common, 10 to power 6, then t minus 1.56 into 10 to power minus 6. Now compare it. What will happen? Then Tg becomes 10 to power minus 6 and Tp will be 1.56 into 10 to power minus 6. Check it, which option is right? 10 to power, sorry. Tg becomes 10 to power minus 8 because here is the 10 to power minus 8. Okay, when you compare it, then what will happen? Option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The Fourier transform of a signal xt is equal to e to power minus 3 t square is the following form where a and b are constant. We know that. What is this? Xt e to power minus 3t is for Gaussian function. Okay, here is the only constant 3 is multiplication. We know that Gaussian function e to minus t square Fourier transform is e to minus f square. Gaussian function Fourier transform itself is a Gaussian. In last video I have also discussed it. Okay, so check it, which option will be the right. Here option will be f square. Okay, f square, f and off. So option B will be right answer because here is e to power minus b f square. Okay, this question is asked in GATE 2000 for 1 marks. Very simple. Now next question is a linear phase channel with phase delay TP and group delay TG must have. We have to think about the linear phase system. Okay, for linear phase system we know that. Okay, check it. Solution. Phase is equal to minus omega t0 and TP is equal to minus phase upon omega. Okay, so what will happen? It will become the t0. Okay, here is the given linear phase channel. So for linear phase channel, phase will be linear and it becomes the minus omega t0 0. T0 0 is constant. Okay, then the group delay. What is the group delay? We know that group delay will be minus phase upon the omega. When you differentiate it in that continuation, also we will get the t0, means TP TG both will be constant. Okay, for linear phase delay both group delay and phase delay we will get the constant. Which answer will be right? TP is constant and TG is proportional, not TP proportional, not right. Answer will be option A will be the right answer because TP and TG is constant. Now comes to question number 5. The Fourier transform ft is equal Fourier transform f means function e to power minus t ut is equal to given 1 upon 1 plus j 2 pi f. Therefore Fourier transform of this function is, see, this one is the comes upon duality problem. Okay, in duality we know that ft Fourier transform is ff. ft Fourier transform is ff. Then ft see ft Fourier transform will be f minus f, means if any function of t Fourier transform becomes the Fourier transform in the form of function becomes the in the form of frequency f, in the place of frequency if we are putting the t means in time domain, and that function if you want to Fourier transform, then it becomes the previous of time domain in frequency domain with respect negative. Okay, then what will happen? Here is the, we have to find out minus f of f in the place of ft. So what will happen? Here is the ft is e to power minus t. Simply ft, first write the ft is e to power minus t ut. Okay, then what will happen? F of minus f e to power f positive u minus f. Okay, u f minus n. Which one will be the right answer? Option A will be not right answer. Option B will be not right answer. Option C will be the right answer. This one asking GATE 2002 for 1 marks. Very simple. Now comes to next question. Let xt be the input to linear time invariant system. The required output is 4xt minus 2. The transfer function of the system should be. Very simple. We know that if your function xt, Fourier transform becomes x omega. What is the formula? X j omega. We can say that j omega also. X j omega is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of t e to the power minus j omega t and dt. Now we are taking x t minus 2, 4x t minus 2. Okay, another signal. Then its Fourier transform, let us consider x1 j omega. Put it x 4x t minus 2 e to minus j omega t dt. Okay, then put it t minus 2 is equal to p minus infinity to infinity t minus 2 is equal to p. Then what will happen? 4x p and e to the minus j omega p plus 2 and dt will be dp, because when you put the t minus 2 is equal to p, let t minus 2 dt will be dp, and limit also will be the same, because our limit is infinity. When you subtract minus 2 on minus infinity, it will be always infinity, either positive or negative. Okay, and t becomes p plus 2. I have already put it minus infinity to infinity 4x of p. What will happen? Minus j omega p and e to the power minus j omega into 2 dp. Okay, now check it. What will happen? This term is constant because here is not p. We have to differentiate in terms of p. It goes outside 2 pi f into 2, and 4 also will be go outside minus infinity to infinity x of p e to the power minus j omega p and dp. What is this? This one is x of j omega. Then our x1 j omega becomes 4 e to the power minus j 4 pi f and x of j omega. So right option will be 4 minus. Option C will be the right answer. Okay, now comes to next question. This one is the data link question. Okay, data given below for 2 questions. Solve the problem and choose the correct answer. The system under consideration is RC low pass filter. Okay, given the RC low pass filter with R is equal to 1 kilohertz and C is equal to 1 microfarad. Let HF denote the frequency response of RC low pass filter. Let F1 be the highest frequency such that F1 is vary from 0 to F1, and he given the at F1 magnitude of transfer function upon H0 is greater than 0.95. Then F1 in hertz is first question. Okay, now first draw the RC low pass filter. this one C, this one V0, this one V1, R1, positive, negative, positive, negative. Solution. Now let's see. Then what will happen? Transfer function. We know that transfer function will be in terms of HF. Check it. So we know that in first check it in S domain. S domain what will happen? We know that 1 upon SC, 1 upon SC plus 1 into R upon SC. Okay, it becomes like 1 upon R plus SC. Okay, so then what will happen? So SC will be common, cancel out RSC plus 1. Okay, here S in the place of S, when you are taking HF, in the place of S, put it 1 plus RC J 2 pi F. 2 pi F means omega. Okay, then our transfer function will be 1 plus RC J 2 pi F. When you take F 0, then it becomes the 1. Okay, so now H F1 mod will be 1 upon root under 1 plus RC 2 pi square. Okay, RC 2 pi F1 square. We have to put the F1. Now satisfy the above given condition. Above given condition is in question mod F0 greater than 0.95. Okay, now what will happen? One upon root under 1 plus R square C square 4 pi square F1 square greater than equal to 0.95. Square in both sides. When you square in both sides, then what will happen? 1 plus 4 pi square R square C square and F1 square, and it becomes square in both sides 95. Then what will happen? 1 minute. Wait. I'm calculating it. Then it becomes 0.9025. Okay, 9025. Now cross it. 1 upon 0.9025, then 1 plus 4 pi square R square C square F1 square. Okay, then it becomes 1.108, 1 plus 4 pi square R. Put the value of RC square F1 square. Then subtract it. Okay. Right. Then subtract it and divided it. Then what will happen? F1 square 0.108 upon 4 pi square RC square. Then F1 root will be 0.329 after calculation. and 2 pi into 10 to the power minus 3. So f1 max will be 52.2 hertz. Okay, f1 max will be 52.2 hertz. Which one? C option will be right answer. Now comes to next question, which is linked to above question. The TG FB group delay of function of the given RC low pass filter, then f2, and now next frequency is given, f2 is equal to 100 hertz, then TG f2 is in microsecond. Okay, now check it. What is the group delay? We know that group delay is, first check it, transfer function. What is the transfer function? Transfer function is as j omega is equal to 1 upon 1 plus j omega RC. Okay, and phase is equal to minus 10 inverse RC. Okay, now we know that group delay is equal to minus t omega on t omega. Okay, now differentiate it, this equation, differentiate it. What will happen? Negative into negative upon 1 plus RC square, 1 upon, in terms of omega, when you differentiate it, then what will happen? RC omega, here is the omega also, RC omega square, and then first we have to differentiate in RC omega in terms of, then RC omega we have to differentiate in terms of omega, then we get RC only. Okay, RC. Now what will happen? Here we will RC upon 1 plus omega square and R square and C square. Put the all the value. Okay, here R is given above, R is given 1 kilohertz and C is 1 microsecond farad, 1 microfarad. So 1 into 10 to power 3, here 1 into 10 to power minus 6. Put it 1 plus 2 pi square f square, it becomes the 100 square into, here is the 10 to power minus 3 square. Then what will happen? 10 to power minus 3, 1 plus 4 pi square into 10 to power 4 into 10 to power minus 6. When you calculate it, then you will get Tg is equal to 0.717 microsecond. Then what will be the right answer? 0.6, option A will be the right answer. Okay, now comes to next question. The Fourier transform of a conjugate symmetric function is always, conjugate symmetric function, see, means conjugate symmetric function means x of t is equal to conjugate x of minus t. So then it becomes the, sorry, always real. Okay, now next question. See, rectangular pulse train ST is shown in figure. Convolute with the signals. This one, the convolute signal will be, okay, here is the given. Here is the given rectangular pulse signals. Then what will happen? Here is the time period. Time period is given 0.1 microsecond. Then f will be 1 upon t, and it becomes 10 to power kilohertz. Okay, here is the 10 to power kilohertz, and when you give take the Fourier transform, it will be now question is given, next question is given, here function is given cos square, okay, cos square 4 pi into 10 to the power 3 t has frequency 4 kilohertz. Okay, when you check it now, the frequency here is 4 kilohertz. Here is the frequency as 10 kilohertz. When you take the Fourier transform, Fourier transform here, then you will get the spike like origin minus 4 kilohertz and this one 4 kilohertz. For pulse signals, you will get like at origin, after that 10 kilohertz, after that like this way 30 kilohertz you will get. Okay, so after the convolution, when you will take the convolution, then you will get the yet only origin. Okay, only the origin signal, so you will get the resultant only this one, constant in time domain, constant in time domain, not vary, means your answer will be the DC signals. Okay, this one is asked in GATE 2004 for 2 marks. Thank you for watching. In the next class, after in the next video, I will post the solution of GATE of Fourier transform, which is asked in after GATE